If you need to hire a tenant attorney, the odds are you probably have never had to hire a tenant attorney before. I'd recommend asking that attorney 5 questions or keeping these 5 questions in mind. First, how long has that attorney been practicing tenant rights law? It's a complicated area of law that includes local laws, state laws, federal laws, and those local laws vary from city to city. Oakland has different laws than San Francisco, and that has different laws than Berkeley. Second question is, how many different practice areas does that attorney specialize in? Probably you'll be in the best hands if you retain an attorney who focuses 100% of his or her practice on tenant rights law for the reasons that I just mentioned. It's a pretty complicated area of law. Third, does that attorney also represent landlords? Tenant attorneys who also represent landlords can have a perspective that is helpful, but also might have conflicting allegiances and could also have conflicts in that certain cases they may not be able to represent tenants in because they've already represented the landlord in another matter. A fourth question is, what are this tenant attorney's reviews by third parties? It's worth taking a look on social media sites like Yelp, Avo, Facebook business page to see what other former clients are saying about that attorney. And finally, if you're considering filing a lawsuit against your landlord, you want to find an attorney who has jury trial experience. I recently read an article that said less than 0.5% of all lawsuits filed result in jury trials. However, under the right circumstances, it may be necessary for your case to go all the way to trial, and you want to be sure that you have an attorney that has that experience.